Hi, Knee High Kids Club. Thank you for joining us. My name is Miss Porter, and how are you doing today? Thank you for coming for another circle time. Are you ready to count? We're going to count today. We're going to learn some numbers. Let's sing a song. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to circle time. Okay, you got it? So let's sing together. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to circle time. Yay! You did very good. All right, so today we're going to count. Let's count with our fingers first, because you have 10 fingers. So we're going to learn how to count on our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 fingers. Now we're going to learn by sight counting our numbers. So let's identify our numbers where we just look and learn, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now, I want you to go a step further, and we're going to say it in Spanish. Español. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. You did so good counting today. All right? Now, we're going to go over our numbers again, and this time we're going to go over them again in English, and we're going to count them individually. Okay? 1 butterfly. 2 apples. 1, 2. 3 pair of scissors. 1, 2, 3. 4 hopping frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 race cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 bouncing balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 colorful boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 beautiful buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 beautiful seashells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Good job. That was a lot of counting, wasn't it? Okay, so since you did so well, you get a soaring success, meaning good job, dinosaur. I keep forgetting about my class. Tyler and Ann are very proud of you. Did you enjoy that, kids? Yes. Okay, so since you did so good, we also have another treat. So let's see what we have today. This is a guitar. He's a singing pup. His name is Woofer. Let me see if I can turn him on. Okay, first we gotta find Woofer's turn on switch. Oh, there it goes. Oh, look at those noises. Don't you like those sounds? Uh-oh. Woofer is dancing. You gonna dance along? With that dog just said meow. What a racket all night long. With the dog there barking song. Yeah, arf, waf, bow, wow, wow. With that dog just said meow. Okay, let's play this one. B-I-N-G-O, and Bingo was his name, oh, was a dog and had a dog. Bingo was his name, oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name, oh. Wow, that's a long, that's a long song, isn't it? Da, 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 da. B-I-N-G-O, and Bingo was his name, oh. N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, and Bingo was his name, oh. We can sing all day with that one, huh? All right, let's open him. Let's open him up. We just played with him, so now we're going to really get into it. Now remember, you always hold your scissors like this and always get an adult to help you. So we're going to cut these little tags off of him so we can really play with him. Okay. Boy, they make sure that he is well packaged. Let's see if we can. There we go. All right. So this toy came. Uh-oh, he's playing the E-I-E-I song. All right, let me turn him down so we can tell Mommy and Daddy where to get him from. So Woofer came from Target, and what he does is, oh, it has a little musical book. You can sing along. It's a lyrical book. And it has different songs in it. Bingo. Funchuala. Has a lot of cute songs in it. Little Brown Jug. So it comes with a music book. And what it does is for years 2 years and up, it has an acoustic, an electric, and a howl. And it plays in 3 different modes. It has 8 musical buttons play, C the chords, guitar strings, and Whammy Bone lets you make any song of your own. 20 sing-along favorites, 9 peppy puppy songs, lyric and music booklet included. And he's everyone's best friend, a volume knob. Okay, enough talking. We want to play with him. All right, there's an acoustics. to that. So you hold this down. It has a little strap for a little person. And then it has that's one version for some of you musical teachers out there. That's an electric one. Okay, and then we have a howl. There goes the beat. Oh, it sounds like a dog. I didn't finish it. Oh, there goes another beat. I think that's one of the songs in the book. Yeah, there are 10 different songs. I'm trying to find the name of that one. Oh, they even have This Little Light of Mine. I know that song too. Oh, it even has the song There Wasn't a Lady Who Swallowed a Fly. And y'all notice the songs are long playing songs. So this is a whole lot of fun. I did tell you that it retails for $20 at, if I'm not mistaken, $20 and some change at Target. So yeah, this is a cute little toy. It's good for little people that love music. And it's for, I told you again, the ages are 2 years and up. Yeah, so I like this. This is so cute. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming out to Knee High Kids Club. I hope that you learned something. I hope you enjoyed our time together. And again, if I didn't say my name at the beginning, I'm Miss Porter. And I thank you for coming by. And I'm sending you lots of virtual hugs and kisses. Mwah. You have a good one. And bye-bye now.